welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a bit of a data dump for you guys. I'm going to be breaking down some data points that I recently shared on my Twitter account, on my X account, and my Instagram account as well. If you don't follow me on those socials, go ahead and follow me. I will probably share a lot of stuff over there as well. And obviously you will see that stuff first before it comes out on YouTube. So make sure to go and follow those. But without further ado, let's just jump into the video. I'm going to be going off the cuff here. I don't have a script. So I'll try not to rant too long, and we'll just try and get this out to you as quickly and as efficiently as possible. So recently I've been doing a lot of testing. It's something that I very much enjoy, and that just tickles my brain in a good way. But anyway, before I start saying some suspect things, let's just jump into the data. So I have tested 473 weeks on Euro USD. That's from 2015 till about the end of 2021. I believe I tested. I didn't do it in order for some reason. I started on 2019 and then decided to go back to 2015. But anyway, that's besides the point. So I was testing the relationship between Monday's candle and the weekly candle. So the comparison between what happens on Monday to see if that has an impact on how the weekly performs as well. And you can see we've got some significant data, I would say. So you can see that if price closes bullish on a Monday, there is a 62% chance that the weekly candle closes bullish too. And so you can see on a bullish Monday and a bullish week, that occurs 156 times, and a bullish Monday and a bearish week happens about 95% of the time, or 95 occurrences in this sample that I tested. So again, 62%, that is a significant data point, I would say, in my personal opinion, especially given the sample size of that. And now, when we look at Monday being bearish, which is even more of a significant data point, you can see that if Monday is bearish, there is a 68% chance that the weekly candle closes bearish too. So again, almost 70% of the time, if Monday is bearish, the weekly also closes bearish. You know, there's a multitude of ways you can apply this to your trading. It can give you the confidence to hold maybe shorts on Tuesday or Wednesday towards that weekly open, because you know that statistically speaking, because Monday was bearish and you say Tuesday or Wednesday prices shot up, you take a short there, you know that 68% of the time it's going to come back to at least the weekly open. So again, you can apply that in different ways to your trading. I'm not going to tell you how to apply it. That's going to be down to you and how you want to interpret that data. So that is the relationship between Monday and the weekly candle close. Now let's look at the relationship between days of the week and when the high of the week and the low of the week forms. So when we're looking at a bullish weekly candle, this is all on Euro USD, by the way. When we're looking at a bullish weekly candle, you can see that the high of the week, about 73% of the time, is formed on either Thursday or Friday. Now on that same bullish week, you can see that the low of the week on Monday, the low of the week is formed 53% of the time. Now this is a significant data point. This is, just over half the time, on a bullish week. And again, you can see that 67% of the time, the low of the week is plugged in on a Monday or Tuesday. Again, there's going to be a multitude of ways that you can apply this to your trading and to your strategy. That's going to be completely up to you. but a very interesting data point to have. So you can see on those bullish weeks, you can see that the high of the week and low of the week are going to be formed the vast majority of the time at the tail end of the weeks. Now, when we're looking at a bearish weekly close, you can see that 50% of the time, the high of the week is plugged in on a Monday. And you can see the combination between Monday and Tuesday, that 68% of the time on a bearish week, the high is formed on either Monday or Tuesday. Again, you can apply this in many different ways, but let's look at the bearish week again for the low of the week this time. And you can see that 57% of the time for my data set, again, this is 267 weeks. So from 2019, I think, to the start of 2024. On a bearish week, the low of the week is formed on Friday 57% of the time. And you can see that 74% of the time, if the weekly candle is bearish, the low of the week is going to be formed on either Thursday or Friday. So again, I will leave this for you to interpret. You can do with this data what you will. I've done the hard work for you. This is not just an easy task to complete, but I enjoy doing it. So again, it doesn't feel like too much of a task. So take from this data what you will. Use it. There's a plethora of ways that you can use it. So that's up to your discretion. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you took some value from it. Again, this is just free hard work that I'm giving to you guys. You don't have to do anything. And so I would appreciate a like on this video if you did enjoy it, if you took some value from it, if you took some info. And yeah, I'm just going to leave it here. So I'll catch you in the next video.